Good morning, students. Today we have to solve this question. Find three rational numbers lying between -1/3 and 1/2. We have to insert three rational numbers between -1/3 and 1/2. We have studied how to insert rational numbers between any two rational numbers in previous video. Here we have to solve some questions related to insertion topics. Here you have to insert only three rational numbers lying between -1/3 and 1/2. All of us know that -1/3 is less than 1/2 because every negative rational number is less than every positive rational number. Every positive rational number is greater than every negative rational numbers. Now we have to start to find the rational numbers between -1/3 and 1/2. Solution. A rational number lying between -1/3 and 1/2 is equal to 1/2. Under bracket sum of two rational numbers -1/3 plus 1/2. So take the LCM of 3 and 2. LCM of 3 and 2 will be 6. 1/2 you can take the LCM like this. 3 and 2. 2 1 are 2. 3 will not be there. Here 3 1 are 3. 1. LCM is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Here LCM is 6. Divide 6 by 3. You have to write here -1 into divide 6 by 3. 3 2 ja 6. 2 times plus 1 into divide 6 by 2. 2 3 ja. Now 1/2 -1 -2. The multiplication of opposite sign is -2 1 ja 2 plus 1 3 ja 3 divided by 6. 1/2 here positive integer is greater than negative integers. Sign of the sign before the larger number will be written here. So plus out 2 from 3 out 2 from 3 1/6. जब भी दो रेशनल नंबर दी गई होती है तो साइन उसी रेशनल नंबर का रखा जाता है जिसकी न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू ज्यादा हो। उसके बाद बड़ी संख्या में से छोटी संख्या को सबट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं। नाउ 1/2 into 1/6 is equal to 1/12. 1/12. So -1/3 because it is negative and it is positive is located 1 by 12 and it is also 1 by 2 because 1 minus 1 by 3 is greater than less than 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3 is less than 1 by 2, and this number will be located between minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. Now let us find the rational number between 1 by minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 12. अब हमें 1 minus 1 by 3 और 1 by 12 के बीच में रेशनल नंबर निकालना है. Now let us find the rational numbers line between minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 12. Here you have to know, you have to get the rational numbers between minus 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 12. A rational number line between minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 12 is equal to 1 by 2 sum of two rational numbers, minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 12. LCM of 3 and 12 is 12. 1 by 2 into LCM is 12 minus 1 into divide 12 by 3 4 ja 12 plus 1 into divide 12 by 12 12 ja 12 1 by 2 product of both sides is negative minus 4 plus 1 by 12. Now here the numerical value of negative sign is more than the numerical value of positive sign. So the sign of negative, we write the sign of negative minus. Now out 1 from 4 we get 3 by 12. We get answer 3 minus 3 by 12 to the 24. This is the rational numbers line. So minus 1 by 3 because it is negative, it will be located between minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 12. Minus, you can also divide it, 3 1 ja 3, 3 8 ja 24 is equal to 1 by minus 1 by 8. So 1 by minus 1 by 8, 1 by 12, 1 by 1 minus 1 by 8 is rational numbers between minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 12. Here we get two rational numbers, 1 by 12 and minus 1 by 8. We have two rational numbers between 1 minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. Now we get third rational numbers. Third rational numbers means between, we got the rational numbers between 1 by minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 12 is 1 by 8. Now we get the rational numbers lying between 1 by 12 and 1 by minus 1 by 2. So we erase it. Now let us find a rational number lying between 1 by 12 and 1 by 2. 1 by 12 and 1 by 2. A rational number lying between 1 by 12 and 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 in bracket sum of both rational number 1 by 12 plus 1 by 2. LCM of 12 and 2 will be 12. 1 by 2 12. 1 into divide 12 by 12. 12 बन जा 12. 1 plus 1 into divide 12 by 2. 2 6 जा 12. 1 by 2. 1 बन जा 1 plus 1 6 जा 6 divided by 12. Add both 1 by 2. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 12. 7 बन जा 7. 12 2 जा 24. So this 7 by 4 will be located between 1 by 12 and minus 1 by 1 by 12 and 1 by 2. Means since minus 1 by 3 is less than minus 1 by 8 is less than 1 by 12. Now inside this inside this 7 by 24 and 1 by 2. So 1 by 3 was first rational number and 1 by 2 second rational number. Between minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 2 we got three rational number, minus 1 by 8 and minus 1 by 8, 1 by 12 and 7 by 24. These are three rational numbers. Hence minus 1 by 8, 1 by 12 and 7 by 24 are three rational numbers line between minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. In this way, we learn how to insert the rational numbers between two rational numbers. As we have solved this questions for getting three rational numbers lying between minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. So after doing the activities, after doing the solution of this question, we got three rational numbers minus 1 by 8, 1 by 12, 7 by 24 lying between minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. How to get the rational numbers between two rational numbers, all of you know. Because in previous video I have told you how to get the rational numbers between any two rational numbers. First of all, you have to add both rational numbers. If you want to get the rational numbers between two rational numbers, you have to add both rational numbers and you have to divide by 2. By this method, you can get the rational numbers between two rational numbers. Any given 3 rational numbers, 4 rational numbers, 5 rational numbers, 6 rational numbers. According to the demand of question, you can solve, you can get the numbers, rational numbers between any two rational numbers. How did I solve it? All of you know. All of you have seen in this video. So I think all of you have understood how to get the rational numbers between any two rational numbers. So we meet in next video. Thanks for today.